Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Cara. Today I'm going to be doing another look with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm starting off in my crease with Eden as my transition shade. Then I'm picking up Desert Sands and just putting that on my brow bone as a brow bone highlight. Next, I'm going into my crease with Saffron, starting on the outer portion of my eye while I have the most product on my brush, and then working my way in while there's less and less product, and slowly adding more. I'm taking that same color underneath on my lower lash line, and then I'm going back on top and blending that out on a clean brush with more of that Eden color, just to blend the colors from dark to light up onto my brow bone. And now I'm going back in with Saffron, and I'm now packing on more and more color. To get a really blended look, you want to just take your time and add a little bit at a time, and just always, I guess, put the most on the outer portion of your eye, and then bring your brush in when there's less product on it. It's just a lot easier to blend. And one last time, I'm just taking a really big fluffy brush over the entire look. Now I'm going in with one of my favorite new products. It's the Stila Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the color Rose Gold Retro. And I'm just cutting my crease with this. I love this product because you can basically skip a step in your cut crease and you don't have to carve it out with concealer before packing a shimmer shade on. So I love that. Now I'm going in with my favorite gel liner, which is the Inglot gel liner. It's just the blackest, creamiest, stays in place, and also my favorite liquid liner, which is the NYC liquid liner. This item has been discontinued. I think the whole brand has, but I still buy it off Amazon. I just love it because it's like super pigmented and it dries really, really matte. So it's great for pictures. The brush is just really easy to work with too. Now I'm just going in with a light coat of mascara before popping on some false lashes. I'm using the style Carmen from Huda Beauty. And this is not my favorite lash glue, but it's the only thing in reach. You just want to make sure that you really let that glue dry quite a bit before putting it on your eye so it doesn't slide around. I always attach the outer portion first and then come in and pinch the inner portion. Now I'm using this highlight from Makeup Geek Cosmetics, and I'm just highlighting like the inner corners of my eye. My face is already highlighted because I already did my face beforehand. And that completes this look today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to watch a funny rendition of this video, my boyfriend does my voiceover video, and I will link that right here.